How to create Heyday account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Heyday account. Creating a Heyday account is a simple process. It involves registering for a Supercell ID, which allows you to save your game progress and access it across different devices. Here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded the authentic Heyday application on your mobile device. Once you have done that, open your Heyday application on your device. And once you open the application, you will land on this home page. Here you will be able to see these two different options. Here you will need to register for Supercell ID in order to create Heyday account. If you have already created Supercell ID, you can just simply tap on this Login with Supercell ID button, and from there you can verify your email address in order to create Heyday account. If you haven't created Supercell ID yet, then you can click on this Play without Supercell ID first, and then inside the interface of this application you will be able to create it. Here I have already created my Supercell ID, so I am tapping on this Login with Supercell ID. Once you tap on it, here you will be able to see the option Login to Supercell ID. Go ahead and tap on it. And in this interface, tap on this Continue button. Here you will need to enter your Supercell ID email. Once you have entered the email, tap on this Login button right here. After that, a code will be sent to your email address. Wait for the code, and once you get that code, you will need to enter it in this box. Make sure to enter the code correctly. Once you have entered the code, now tap on this Submit button right here. Here you will need to tap on Confirm in order to proceed further. Once after doing that, you will be able to log in to your Supercell ID. After that, you will see you have successfully created Heyday account. Now you can start playing Heyday with your new account. So by following the steps, you should be able to create a Heyday account and enjoy managing your virtual farm. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.